Today we're going to be talking about 1-2 Buckle My Shoe. So, this video has been around social media, and I'm sure you've seen it. And so have I. But I'm sick of it. There are so many historical inaccuracies in this video, I just have to address them. So, let's just watch the video.
Oh, come over here, come over here.
Okay.
Check out my new shoes.
Okay, immediately, those aren't meant to even have buckles. What is this voice as well? Like, bro, what is this feminine all voice? Like, I don't understand. Like, bro, you're not meant to have a voice like that. Like, come on, look at him, look at how you're bro, you're so fat. You know, look at your little shoes. Like, bro, what is this? No, put it in the world, bro. No. You're not meant to have this like this. No, come on, man. No, I don't want to bug someone. Come on.
Nike kicks.
That's basically my analogy on this video. And like, I just don't like the tune. Everything that's wrong with this video. The buckles, like Nikes aren't even gonna have buckles. Like, it's so inaccurate. Like, I just don't understand why it's like this. Like, this stuff is so. And I've been getting told that he actually collabed with Mr. Beast. So let's try and find that. Okay, so I found the Mr. Beast collab, and now I'm gonna react to this.
Here, come over here.
Okay, so it's right here. Oh, he's literally with Mr. Beast. What in the world? No, those are Crocs. Oh my God, Crocs. No, Crocs. How did that happen? No, come on, Mr. Beast. What are you doing? You can't be doing like this. No, you can't be doing.
Mr. Beast.
Okay, maybe he does. Like, you can't be doing like that. Look how surprised he is. You know what's gonna happen. Like, what are you doing? Like,
come over here.
You're not gonna do this. Like, what? No, you're not doing Mr. Beast. Bro, the buckles are just these are here. They're not even buckles. They're not even Nikes anymore. They're the same bro actually. Sorry, my bad.
Mr. Beast.
Nobody does it. Just because of this, I'm also responding to Mr. Beast. Look at Chris Chandler. Anyway.